In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in ZipBooks. By the end, you'll feel confident building a clean, professional invoice from start to finish. Once you're logged in, head to your main dashboard. On the left sidebar, click the Invoices tab. This opens your invoicing workspace. To begin a new invoice, choose the plus icon or the Create New button. ZipBooks will open a fresh invoice form where you can enter all the details. Start by selecting the customer. If they're already in your list, pick them from the drop-down. If not, you can add a new customer directly within the form. No need to leave the page. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right client so the invoice lands in the correct inbox. Next, add your line items. You can type these in manually by entering a clear description, the quantity, and the rate for each product or service. ZipBooks will calculate the line totals and the overall balance as you go. If you've saved standard services, just start typing the name and choose the matching saved item. The description and price will autofill, and you can adjust quantity or rate if needed. If you use ZipBooks Time Tracker, watch for a notice that says this client has unbilled time. Click Add to Invoice to pull those hours in automatically. Review the imported entries to make sure the dates, hours, and rates are correct. Now customize the details so everything is accurate and branded. Set your invoice number, and if your client provided one, a PO number. Using a consistent numbering format helps with bookkeeping and audit trails. Apply taxes or discounts as needed. You can attach them to specific line items or to the entire total, depending on how you bill. Double-check that taxes reflect your location and the client's requirements, and that any discount is applied exactly where you intend. Add notes or payment terms in the message area. Something concise like payable upon receipt works well. This is also a good place to include a polite thank you or brief payment instructions. When everything looks right, click Finalize to save the invoice. This captures a clean version ready to share. From here, click Send to email it straight to your client's inbox. You can include a short message in the email to add context. If you prefer to keep a local copy or share it another way, choose Print and save the invoice as a PDF. That's it, you've created a complete professional invoice in ZipBooks, selected your customer, added line items, customized the details, and finalized and sent it with confidence.